Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're checking out Google's NotebookLM, Google's AI-powered note-taking tool and research tool that's been making a lot of noise lately. If you've ever wished your notes could actually think with you, this might be the closest thing yet. Let's see what it's all about. NotebookLM is designed to help you organize, summarize, and analyze your research in one place. You can upload PDFs, Google Docs, or even website links, and the tool will automatically generate a smart overview of your material. The coolest part? It can answer questions directly from your uploaded sources, so instead of searching through pages of notes, you can just ask it something like, "What are the main points of Chapter 3?" And it'll pull the answer with references. Another impressive feature is the citation system. Every response NotebookLM gives includes a citation pointing directly to your original source. That's super handy for students, researchers, and content creators who need accuracy and traceability. It even has something called Audio Overview, which turns your notes into a podcast-style summary, perfect for reviewing your research on the go. However, NotebookLM isn't without its limitations. It's not meant to replace your full note-taking or productivity apps. You won't find advanced organization tools like tags, folders, or backlinking that apps like Notion or Obsidian offer. It's really focused on comprehension and synthesis rather than long-term note management. Overall, NotebookLM feels like a glimpse into the future of intelligent research tools. It's powerful, intuitive, and surprisingly easy to use. If you're someone who handles a lot of reading, studying, or writing, it's definitely worth trying out. That's all for this review of Google NotebookLM. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.